Sheng, what have I told you about keeping the lake clean? Don't make me shut down this little stand of yours.
Every drop of water that comes out of that filter is 100% pure. Why is a legitimate businessman like myself always gotta be hassled by city regulation, huh?
It's a health hazard, Sheng.
It's a profit hazard is what I say. I manage the water, and I'll do it without your interference, thank you very much. Purified water. Don't die of thirst out there in the Commonwealth. Hey there, purified water. You won't find this out in the Commonwealth.
You by yourself out here?
That's right. Been on my own since I was 8. I'm a fully independent man. Got my own place, go to night classes, the whole shebang. Now, how about I get you a bottle of water, huh?
Anything I can do to help out?
Ah, the industrious type. Wanna help me clean out the water supply? You won't believe the junk people throw in there. Overloads the filters.
What kind of stuff is down there?
You're looking for big things. Anything around the size of a book, usually.
Depends. What's this worth to you?
No. We're not doing this. 100 caps for the job. No haggling.
I'm on it.
Just don't drown. I'll never clean your carcass out of there.
Hi there.
Your water, right here.
Let's see what you got.
Hey, everyone's...
Mm-hmm. Hey, Sheng.
Look how clean the water is now. Good job. Here's your pay. Now, how about you pick up some bottles for the road?
Sheng? Why was there a skull in the water?
So maybe you weren't the first person I asked. Maybe the last guy found an unstable hand grenade. Hey, once the filters do their job, it's all water under the bridge. Am I right? Anyway, need some...